You access it simply through the email. But I'm not seeing any of the messages. This is indeed your email account, which serves as your inbox area, and you click right over here on this menu. Then you get to OneDrive. You choose OneDrive from there, and it will open up for you. You upload all of those files and work in exactly the way we explained before, downloading each Word file individually and opening every single Word file. Okay, then we tell it, well, what? From the file menu, export it to PowerPoint, and from PowerPoint, what does it do for me? The themes and ideas that I want for all the slides. Also, among the good things, there's another nice site that I wanted to clarify for you, which we call the university site, or the university. Absolutely. The university's website is one of the very exquisitely beautiful websites. And I mean, I am really impressed. Or also, what do you mean? Dr. Allah, I thank you for this interaction. And this is also from the university's website. The university would appreciate it if we open this particular website. This is the university website, and this is a website with AI, with artificial intelligence. You can make a PowerPoint file or a technical presentation in a few minutes. This is also one of the very beautiful and amazing things. This is exactly where you will find that you have. I used it. I tried to create something like an introduction on solar energy using the quantum calculator. I started doing some things and tried it in Arabic as well. The English language is generally working fine. Any site or program with English works without any issues. But the most important thing is that when I enter any site, I try Arabic first. So when you come to create new, of course you need to log in. Some people might not realize that, which is why I mentioned at the beginning that it's better for you to have a Gmail account and register. Creating a Gmail account is essential because most sites will ask you to log in with your account, especially Gmail. So this way, you can avoid any hassle. Once you log in, your name will appear up here, and it will tell you, well, do you have a free account? These sites charge you money, but offer a free version. We use the free part, giving you 3 attempts per day. The sites usually work like this. They give you 3 attempts and around 10,000 words. Each site has a plan. So if you want to know the plan, open the link to read it. Now, when you click on View Plan, it will start showing you the plan. It will tell you if you pay $8, you get this. If you pay $15 for the Pro version, you get that. Here's the yearly and monthly plan. They also give you the free version, which includes what? I go to Create New, giving you 3 options. The first option is to input text from your side, to input any text or content. If you choose this option, here, when you click on View Plan, it will start showing you the plan. It will tell you, well, if you pay $8, you will get this. If you pay $15 for the Pro version, you will get that. This is the plan, and here's the yearly plan, and this is the monthly plan. This year, this is their plan. They also give you the free version. Now, the free version will include what? The free part will provide you with what? So now I go to Create New, and then you come here, and it gives you 3 options. The first option is to input text from your site, meaning you can put any text or content you have here. If you choose this option, the second option is to tell it, no, you create it for me. I will just give you the name of the topic I want you to make a presentation on, and you create the presentation for me without making me work hard. Or you might have a file, like a Word document or a URL from a website, and you say, I want you to create a presentation from the Word file that I will send you. So the free version will include what? What will the free part provide you with? Now, I come to Create New, and then you come here, and it gives you 3 options. The first option is to input text from your side, meaning you can put any text or content you have here. If you choose this option, the second option is to tell it, no, you create it for me. I'll just give you the name of the topic I want you to make a presentation on, and you create the presentation for me without making me work hard. Or you might have a file, like a Word document, or a URL from a website, and you say, I want you to create a presentation from the Word file that I will send you. So you have the 3 options available here. All 3 options are now at your disposal. There's no problem at all. So what we can do is try this second type. I'll give it a name here, and then you can write whatever you want. Of course, it gives you the option for the language, whether you want it in English or in Arabic or whatever you specifically want. Of course, what does it do? It also gives you the languages, and among those languages, you'll find Arabic. Arabic is available, including Saudi Arabic. You can choose Saudi Arabic and write whatever you want in Arabic or English, however you like. So here we selected Arabic, and let's say, for example, we'll mention artificial intelligence or plant cells, whatever it is, and it gives you here the output. There are indeed exactly in total 10 cards. I love PowerPoint slides. So it's telling you, well, for the free version, you get 11, right? If you take the plus version, it gives you 15. And the pro version starts giving you its features. Tell it to generate the outline. Then it starts creating your outline. Modify the introduction to focus on app development, conclusions, and recommendations. Then I'll say continue. What happens next? What is it going to talk about? It will talk about an introduction, and you can also modify it. For example, you might want to change the introduction to focus on app development, conclusions, and recommendations. You can adjust it here without any problem. Then I'll say, for example, continue. Once I say continue, it will start working on it. And what happens next? Here, of course, it shows me options and tells me to choose the theme. Just like we were working on a moment ago, you can choose any of these shapes. Do you want this shape or that one or another one? You can select any of these options and then you say generate. If we say generate, it will start working. And then what happens? Right after that, it will start generating my slides. The slides will start being created. We'll just wait a little until it finishes. And it's definitely working on it and effectively currently. So he just uploaded some pictures and started working. Still, of course, I'm starting from the first slide now. Can you see? It created it by itself. It brought me the artificial intelligence topic, a whole new world, and it started giving me the text. And of course, if there's something I don't want, I can just click on it and say delete, and that's it, delete. It also gives you the option to edit and modify, no problem at all. Even this image, if I double click on it, what? You don't like this image? Yeah, I don't like this image. Well, do you have an image on your device that you want to upload? You can download it and put it here and select it. All right, no problem. What? You don't like this image? Yeah, I don't like this image. Okay, you have an image on your device that you want to upload. Just download it and put it here and select it. All right, no problem. I want to download it to my device, no problem. If you want to get an image, I can download this image to my device and it will be saved on my device. But if I want an alternative to this image, I can go to something called image load URL. Provide flood or URL. When I do image upload, I bring the image and put it here to use it as a picture for us. Or for example, I can say, no, I want an AI image. This image doesn't appeal to me. Give me another one. Bring me another image, generate it, and give me a different image instead of this one. So I say generate, for example, and it brings me images below. I can use any of the images down there. I might select this image, for instance. And once I select this image, it modifies it and places this image here. Can you see? For example, I want this image, this specific one. I'm bringing this image to him. Can you see? For example, I want this image, this specific one. I'm bringing him this image. I can tell it to generate and bring me another image. I don't like these images at all. Give me what? Give me other images. It generates images. You can select and edit. Now I understand the site. Here is an image, here is another image. So the idea is that it started bringing me what? It also allows me to select the images and modify the content. As you can see, I can change a word. For example, the term artificial intelligence. Of course, I want to press EI, for example, and they wrote it like that. They wrote EI, for example, and I can edit it. So now I know what the site is, and I can create the design for the presentation here. The design of the presentation.